वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, पोरबंदर में समंदर में पाक बोट पर हुए धमाके का आखिर सच क्या है, यह सवाल इसलिए उठ गया है क्योंकि एक अखबार ने कोस्ट गार्ड के डीआईजी बीके लोशाली का वीडियो जारी किया है, जिसमें लोशाली को यह कहते हुए सुनाया जा रहा है कि उन्होंने ही कोस्ट गार्ड को पाक बोट को उड़ाने का आदेश दिया था। लेकिन मीडिया में खबर आने के बाद बीके लोशाली का कहना है कि यह बात सरासर गलत है। लोशाली ने एक खत के जरिए मीडिया के खबर को बेबुनियाद बताया। लोशाली का कहना है कि उन्होंने सिर्फ इतना कहा था कि हम उन्हें बिरयानी नहीं परोसना चाहते। उधर एयर शो में भाग लेने बैंगलोर पहुंचे रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर ने कहा कि वो इस मामले में बाद में जवाब देंगे। डीआईजी लोशाली की अगर बात की जाए तो उनका जो बयान आया है उसमें बाकायदा ये सुनाई दे रहा है कि किस तरीके से वो कह रहे हैं कि वी डिसाइडेड टू ब्लो द बोट ऑफ, ऐसे करके उनका बयान है। लेकिन जो चीजें सामने आ रही हैं उसके बाद उनका जो बयान आया है उसमें उन्होंने जो क्लैरिफिकेशन दिया है वो उनका जो स्पष्टीकरण है वो कुछ इस तरीके से है कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ कहा ही नहीं और मुझे गलत कोट किया जा रहा है।
It has stated earlier in writing to you. As of now, we have got denial from him. If any news channel shows that he has said that, I will inquire and find out. But we stand by our. At the most you can, if you prove that he has made statement, you are making a case of taking action against him.
Are you taking action,
Doesn't,
sir?
1 minute, doesn't change the ground reality. Just 1 minute, let me complete.
Let him finish.
Normally I could have just brushed away the question. But I want to be very clear. If someone tomorrow makes a statement which is incorrect, at the most you are making a case of a disciplinary proceeding against him. I told you so clear. We stand by what we said. Issue is over. Coast Guard has issued denial. He himself has issued denial. If you want me to investigate whether he really made it and how he made it, why he made it, I will investigate and give you the report.
Sir,
I don't have to. The Raksha Mantri does not justify a remark made by someone where I don't know myself what remark he made.
Sir, just one point. He talks in his statement, he says
Please.
it's not his.
But I told you, you are making a
Please
case
don't
of
try.
action against him if you can prove what you are
No,
saying.
in his press statement given today, he says it's not his jurisdiction. And yet, he has also mentioned in that.
You
press
are
statement-
making a case of disciplinary proceeding for wrong statement.
So will you
I
take,
told you,
Disciplinary
I told,
proceedings now.
please listen, I told you very clearly, the Defence Ministry has given a very clear statement, we stand by it.
I think
So the
that
issue is, 1 minute, issue is over. The fact of the matter is over with my statement. Now, 1 minute, please let me, you analyze yourself what I am saying, please read it again and analyze yourself. If someone has made some wrong statement, you are making a case of disciplinary proceeding against him if it is proved that he has made a wrong statement.
will you take this?
Who has released the video?
Indian Express.
Will you one at a time, please?
Of what? Of what?
Showing him saying that the Coast Guard.
It says clearly.
So I told you, you are at the most making a case of disciplinary proceeding against him.
Will
Sir,
action.
apart
1
from
minute.
his statement-
He has Indian Express released a video of the incident or the DIG is making a statement.
DIG.
The DIG
Please,
statement.
DIG makes-
So I will make inquiry against that. I will take the video copy. I will check up whether he has made that statement properly, word to word, whatever he says, what is reported. We will take action against the person if required, if he has made that statement. after making a proper inquiry. There is a procedure which has to go. I'll do that procedure.
Sir, my question is not about his earlier statement, it's about the fresh statement he came out with today.
I am saying we stand by our statement
No, the
earlier.
press-
There
the
is
press
no
statement-
change in situation.
Sir, you
Sir,
have
the
said
press
you will
statement
release
he
the
came out
original.
with today-
Please.
What?
The original video.
I have not said video. I have said I will release evidence. I have said I will release evidence.
Are you going to do that, sir?
I can do that.
Sir, the
Only
press-
one person has been following that with me. No other person ever asked me. Report came to me. It has gone down again. If you want, I will release it to you.
Sir, the question is about.
But then do one thing. After seeing the report, please don't again go and asking someone, some officer about that incident again. Close the issue after you see the video.
Sir, the question is about the clarification issue today. He says it's
There is
not-
no clarification from my side. I told you,
From him.
I made you the issue very clearly. Are you on the issue of the DIG statement or are you on the issue of the fact of the case?
Sir, the fact of the.
1 minute, 1 minute. If she is asking again the
I'm
same
talking about
question.
the clarification he has issued
On
today.
what? Fact of the case or on
his own
DIG?
statement. On his
Huh?
own statement he has issued.
That I
clarification.
will inquire and let you know.
Sir, but in the clarification he says it's not his jurisdiction. However, he says he has made allied comments related to
1
this.
minute.
Very
Now let
admissible.
me, there is almost about 15-16 lakh service personnel. If someone makes a statement which is factually incorrect, the only way I can proceed is take action after inquiring into it. You don't understand my problem. Tomorrow someone who is because of some reason not in a good terms with the ministry may make a statement and create a problem. I am not responsible for that statement. At the most you are making a case of a disciplinary proceeding against a person who is made a wrong statement. I will inquire, I told you. I will go through this and I will also release you the evidence of the event if you want it.
So when is
Oh,
the
okay.
evidence going to be released, sir? What
you
kind
you
of
come
evidence?
to Delhi to me, I will give you the
Okay, thank
So
you
why
very
don't
much,
we get it,
ladies
sir?
and gentlemen.
after Monday.
We end
When-
our press conference there. Please join us for lunch.
When
Thank you
can-
very much.
How do I
अपने दर्शकों को पूरा रक्षा मंत्री का बयान अगर समझा दें तो कुछ ऐसा है। रक्षा मंत्री ने कहा है कि वो घटना को लेकर, यानी वो जो पाक बोट को जो उड़ने की खबर थी कि पाकिस्तान के जो आतंकी थे उन्होंने अपनी नाव को खुद आग लगा ली थी, उन्होंने बम से उड़ा लिया था, उस घटना में कुछ भी गलत नहीं है। उनका कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि डीआईजी का अगर बयान इस दिशा में आता है कि डीआईजी ने ऐसा बयान कहा है कि हमने उड़ाने का निर्देश दिया था, तो हो सकता है उनका यह बयान गलत हो और हो सकता है उन्होंने ये गलत बयानी की हो, इसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई हो सकती है। लेकिन उसको लेकर बकायदा उन्होंने सीधे तरीके से डिफेंड किया है, कहा है कि डीआईजी की बयान गलत हो सकता है, डीआईजी गलत बयानी कर सकते हैं, हम इसको लेकर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे, ये देखेंगे कि उन्होंने वर्ड टू वर्ड गलत बयानी तो नहीं की है, लेकिन जो घटना घटी उसको लेकर उन्होंने सीधे तौर पर कहा है कि डीआईजी का बयान गलत हो सकता है लेकिन घटना गलत नहीं है। यानी रक्षा मंत्री अभी इस वक्त अपना जो बयान था, उनका जो बयान था, अगर आपको अच्छी तरीके से याद हो, जो उन्होंने बयान दिया था उसको सीधे तौर पर डिफेंड कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि खुद रक्षा मंत्री ने कहा था कि पाक के आतंकियों ने बयान को बोट को उड़ा दिया था। लेकिन ये चीजें अब साफ हो गई। किस तरीके से डीआईजी साहब बयान से पलटे, आइए देखते हैं।
मैं सूरत में 16 तारीख को IB 421 के लॉन्च के लिए गया हुआ था और मैंने उस वक्त ये बोला था कि ये IB जो हमारे स्ट्रेंथ में आ रही है उससे हमारी कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी जो मैकेनिज्म है वो फर्दर स्ट्रेंथन होगी। और मैंने ये भी बोला था कि हम कोई भी एंटी नेशनल एलिमेंट को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे कि हमारी कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी को ब्रीच करे। हम उनको यहाँ आके बिरयानी नहीं खिलाने वाले, लेकिन उनको अलाउ नहीं करेंगे कि हमारी कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच हो। और मैं यहाँ पर ऑपरेशन का हेड नहीं हूँ। ऑपरेशन एक जितने भी होते हैं वो कमांडर साहब जो हैं वो उनके कमांडर IG कुलदीप सिंह सिरोन PTM TM उनके नेतृत्व में उनके गाइडेंस से चलते हैं, ना कि मेरे ऑर्डर से चलते हैं। क्योंकि वो हेड है और सर्विस में हायर की से चलती है सर्विस। तो मुझे इसके बारे में पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन भी नहीं थी इस ऑपरेशन के बारे में, क्योंकि मैं अलग चीज़ देख रहा था। तो जो कोट किया गया है वो उससे मैं वो नहीं हूँ, संतुष्ट नहीं हूँ। और मैं फिर से दोबारा बोलना चाहूँगा कि वो बोट ने अपने आप को खुद आग लगा ली थी, हम जैसे कि पहले रिपोर्ट किया गया है।
थैंक यू सो मच।